If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To buy ETH on Revolut, make sure you already installed the Revolut app on your mobile devices. Now click on it, then click the crypto icon beside the payment. In here you will see different crypto you can buy. Now to buy Ether, you can just simply scroll it down and you will see the Ether where it was listed as most traded. Now click on it and you will see here the status of this cryptocurrency. Now to buy it, just simply click the buy button, and that's how you buy ETH on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.